this bus, and we have in it a dead bird in one of the back seats. So I gotta get this dead bird out of this bus.
You know, I took care of the dead frog, so it's Austin's turn.
Yeah, it's his turn.
Oh man.
It's Austin's turn to take care of the next dead animal.
Yeah, you're getting the bird.
I'm getting the bird.
You're getting the dead bird.
Alright.
And then pick him up, pull the bag over him. We don't try to stick him down in the bag.
Grab the bird. Boom.
Grab the bird, pull that
Boom.
bag over him. We'll wrap that up and then we'll double bag him and double bag him again.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay,
All
here we
right,
go.
I'll help you bag him. And...
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's down on the floor. Okay.
Yeah.
I think he's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's going to be a problem getting
There's the bird.
just put the paper towels over him and
Poor little guy. I would have saved
Okay,
you.
we're just gonna do it.
pull
Maybe
the
he
bag
Oh
is.
my gosh.
Maybe he is a little
I really
rotten.
want to touch him.
Just-
Dad, what if you did it?
Just don't.
You're already good.
I'll help you.
You think
You already
he's-
got the bag over.
He's dead, babe. He's
Oh, yeah.
I know
he's
he's dead. He's not gonna like blow up or something.
No, no, he won't blow up.
He might be squishy.
Just kidding. Well, he's squishy because he's full of a bird. You know.
Okay, I'm gonna go look at the bird, and here
is
Austin
nasty.
goes. Look over him.
I am trying. Oh man!
Oh
Don't look at
boy.
him. Don't look at him.
Okay, you got him?
Yep, I got him.
Okay, drop him in here. Okay.
What a nice burial. Not all birds get this kind of burial. How do you feel?
I did it. It's over.